My name is Colin Allen, and I am from Dallas, Texas. I'm currently pursuing a dual title PhD in English and African American and Diaspora Studies at Pennsylvania State University. This summer, I worked in the National Audiovisual Conservation Center on the American Archive of Public Broadcasting project, with the goal of producing an online exhibit that sheds light on the contributions of marginalized communities to public broadcasting. My project, The Odyssey of Black Studies in Public Broadcasting, explores the deep history of Black Studies programs at American colleges and universities. Tracing its development from the founding of the first College of Ethnic Studies at San Francisco State University to the celebration of its 50th year in 2019, this exhibit aims to explore the establishment of Black studies covered by radio and television, examining how media perceive the rise and growing influence of Black cultural education and history on the American public and its youth. Black studies rose within the academic world during the late 1960s, their inception originating from strikes held by Black students and faculty on college campuses who desired equity within the university system and sought to see their culture and history represented in the coursework they took. Public broadcasting noticed these acts of political resistance that led to the founding of Black studies programs across the nation and sought to document it. An investigative news series of programs such as Take Back Your Mind, a 1971 episode of the national educational television series Black Journal, broadcast journalists surveyed the history that led to the rise of Black studies, spoke with program founders and their first students, and showcased the growing impact of these programs on higher education. In addition to documenting their founding, public broadcasting also examined the institutional disadvantages that Black students and faculty faced within the university system. In investigative pieces such as a 1979 episode of the series Say Brother entitled Afro Studies, Why So Many Barriers, Black studies professors and students document how their programs have faced financial setbacks and discrimination issues from their respective colleges, and why supporting Black studies is imperative for the success of Black students in higher education and abroad in the K-12 education system. I would like to thank my project mentor, Alan Gevison, and NAVCC Chief, Gregory Luco, for their guidance during my time building this exhibit. If you would like to discover more about this exhibit and others like it, please visit americanarchive.org/exhibits.